Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. This is a special article on Dr. K. Veeramani, the senior leader of the Dravidian movement, on his 88th birthday. This article is written by Mr. Vaiko, General Secretary, Marumalachi Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, Member of Parliament. May Assyriar live long for 100 years. Assyriar Dr. K. Veeramani, the senior leader of the Dravidian movement, would be 87 on December 2, 2020 and step on the 80th year of his glorious life. It is an occasion sweeter than drops of nectar. He was just a 10-year-old little boy when he delivered his maiden public speech on a stage, elucidating the policies of Periyar. Anna, one of the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, had once prized Veeramani, a phenomenon. He richly deserved the praise as a true disciple striving to spread the principles of Periyar all over the world. I wish all of us participate in the centenary celebrations too. My hearty greetings to respectful Assyriar Dr. K. Veeramani. The revolutionary poet Bharati Dasan had sung 62 years back thus in the praise of Assyriar. They say young men crave for treasure, but some are simple yet find pleasure. Craving for riches we find many, an exception I found living as Veeramani. Friends and comrades, always his choice, for quite a long time they make him rejoice. Generally people who have no dependents involve themselves enthusiastically in social services, but our beloved Assyriar has always been knee-deep in public service in spite of family responsibilities, wife and children around him. These were the words of Periyar in 1962, proudly praising the dedication of Assyriar. Periyar further said, Veeramani could have easily landed on a lucrative career if he had wished. He had been a bright student holding meritorious MA and BL degrees. Placement as a teacher or appointment in a government office would have made him earn at least rupees 250 per month without any difficulty. But he ignored his personal needs and benefits completely. He chose the life of a full-time public servant without retirement. We rarely find such astonishing personalities with exceptional virtues. Assyriar had earned the absolute trust of Periyar to such an extent that Periyar announced in 1962, I have handed over the complete responsibility and control of our Tamil daily Viduthalai to Veeramani. Assyriar proved himself worthy of Periyar's trust by successfully editing and publishing regularly the trend-setting daily Viduthalai. Under his invaluable leadership and guidance, Viduthalai has continued to be the megaphone for the worldwide spread of Periyar's principles and policies. The ideological legacy of Periyar is reflected in the Himalayan achievement and splendid talks of Assyriar. The Periyar Self-Respect Propaganda Institution, several educational institutions established under his name, various charity services, hospitals, bureaus and trusts have been thriving and growing in leaps and bounds. Their global services and worldwide popularity vouch for their amazing strength. The noble services of the Dravidar Kazhagam have emerged as universal benefactors. The entire world has been witnessing behind all achievements the unflinching resolve and untiring efforts of Assyriar Dr. K. Veeramani. His relentless struggle deserves the credit for the marvelous developments and progress. Every day, Viduthalai rumbles like a thunderstorm. The fortnightly magazine Onamai has been captivating numerous readers. An exclusive children's monthly, Periyar Pinju, has been entertaining and educating thousands of kids. The English magazine, The Modern Rationalist, being published as a monthly, has also been spreading the thoughts and ideas of Periyar through thought-provoking articles. Similarly, the website periyar.org, Periyar Web and online conferences are functioning without any break to globalize the vision and mission of Periyar. All these print and electronic media are like an axle, but its linchpin is none other than our beloved brother Assyriar. He has been the main switch triggering every process and activity. Besides all these services cited, Assyriar has also been striving to defeat communal fanatics and establish social harmony. He aims at synergetic coordination and collective efforts of like-minded people. It is not an exaggeration to call him a trailblazer or beacon light for all of us. In brief, Assyriar himself is a golden opportunity for us, and wisdom lies in making use of him. undeniably is a great boon for the state of Tamil Nadu and for the entire Dravidian movement. Asiriyar, Dr. K. Veeramani is a storehouse of culture and a vault of rare virtues. He must be treasured by us as a precious gift. His life has been big. We wish it is also long enough to make him a centenarian. Our classical language, Tamil, is the most ancient of all languages and its glory is timeless. Despite its antiquity, it is still hot-blooded and bubbling with exquisite charm. We wish our beloved Asiriyar also live longer, unwithered by time. Nature should offer him pristine health and lengthen his life. On behalf of our Marumalarchi, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, I hereby convey my hearty greetings on his 88th birthday. And with this, we end our article on May Asiriyar Live Long for 100 Years by Vaiko, Member of Parliament. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon. Please download Samaram Multi-Channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.